Easter. Alright guys, so there's a bunch of Easter eggs around the yard, so it's Easter today, so we're gonna go get Easter eggs because we're gonna go find them. So keep watching the video and you will see us get our Easter eggs.
So we're about to get started here with the Easter egg hunt, and you have to touch that purple paper over there and that big planter over there before you can get started on collecting eggs. Alana and Ava are going to stand by, and Elise is going to go first, and she gets a 10-second head start. And we will be starting in 3, 2, 1, go!
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Heads, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, Ava! Ava, go! Why?
Because I have been bending so much, running so much, because I need to get as much eggs as I can. Refill buckets.
And now Alana's refilling her bucket. Ooh, and she's using a good technique. Whoa! Oh my goodness, that was quick. And she's back out. She's back on the hunt.
This is so hurt. My legs are hurting. Right there. This is the hummingbirds.
Whoa, that's a good one. Good pick, Alana. Good find. Wow, she found it. How's it going, Alice? Find any more? Oh, Alice, that's a lot of eggs you got. What? Where is it? Oh, it's a golden egg.
Guys, I got $5.
Whoa, where was that one? No, was it in which egg was it in?
Golden egg.
Wow. Good catch.
Guys, I think in all of the golden ones they have money. Because this one is $1 and this one's the golden one. But I got this $1 from this guy.
Ooh.
Oh, so that means in the pound. Now can we check all our eggs? And I
Sure.
think in this one. Oh yeah, I have $1. I have $1. So I got $1. I got bubble gum. This one has nothing. This one has nothing. So guys, some of them had candy, some of them had money, some of them had nothing, and some of them have toys.
Ooh, what kind of toy is that?
I got a bitty pop, and you can get one of these guys. I'm excited. This bag's pretty heavy. I think I'm gonna check them inside the house. Wait, this one has $5. I think we should check inside the house. Nothing. Girls, come on, let's try do it inside the house too. Guys, so I think we should check it inside. Me and Ava are gonna do it inside. So Alana's coming too. She already opened some outside, but who cares? But she still has a lot. Guys, so there were like 400 eggs outside, I think. But I think there was a lot. Wait, I think I know where. Let's see. This. Let's keep it right there. This. Guys, so if I have gum or Starburst, I'll give it to Ava or Alana because I can't eat gum because I have a space day and 2 caps. 48, 49, 50. One. Start it. 2, 4, 5. Starters. Ava, take the gum. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna open this to see if I want to trade it with a leaf. Guys, this is a LOL Neon Pop Stars, and I'm gonna open it to see if I want to trade it with a leaf. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Guys, so I also had 3 of these. So I gave one to Alana, one to Ava, and this one's for me. It's a Hello Kitty and it's Hello Kitty and Friends. And these are the ones you can get. And there's where you open. Here's some stuff. Please. I got a little yarn. This guy's kind of. I think you have to make it. Yeah, I think so. Open it. So it looks like I have to go like this.
So how many eggs are you at, Ava?
138.
138 eggs?
139, 140. You didn't say I was supposed to. Okay. So we had a fun time today, and thank you Elise for putting up and setting up the Easter eggs, and we had a fun time and opening up all our prizes and our candy, and the candy was super delicious. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn the notification to see more videos coming up. Bye! Happy Easter! Happy Easter! Happy Easter! Happy Easter! Happy Easter! Okay, bye. Subscribe! Yeah.